Welcome to this video where we'll be discussing one of the most common errors you might encounter when working with Django channels. Value error incoming message has no type attribute. If you're building real-time web applications using Django and WebSockets, chances are you've seen this error pop up at some point. But don't worry, by the end of this video, you'll understand what causes it and how to fix it. In today's discussion, we'll dive into the world of Django channels and explore why this error occurs. We'll break down the concept step by step, using analogies and examples to help solidify your understanding. Whether you're a seasoned developer or just starting out with Django, this video is designed to provide you with actionable insights to overcome this hurdle. So, let's get started. To understand why value error incoming message has no type attribute occurs, we first need to grasp the basics of how Django channels handle messages. In a typical WebSocket setup, clients, usually web browsers, establish a persistent connection with your server. This allows for bidirectional communication between the client and server without the need for constant polling. When a message is sent from a client to the server through this established connection, it's not just raw data that gets transmitted. Instead, the message is wrapped in an envelope containing metadata that helps Django channels understand how to process it. This metadata includes a crucial piece of information known as the type attribute. ValueError. The type attribute tells Django channels what kind of action should be performed when the message is received. Think of it like a command or instruction for your application on how to react to different types of messages. Now, here's where things can go wrong. If the incoming message doesn't contain this type attribute, Django channels won't know how to process it. This results in the value error. Incoming message has no type attribute. Error you're seeing. To illustrate this better, imagine receiving a letter without an address or any indication of who sent it or what it's about. How would you know where to deliver it or what action to take? Similarly, Django channels needs that type attribute to understand the message's purpose and react accordingly. So, how do we fix this issue? Well, the solution is simpler than you might think. When sending messages from your client to the server, ensure that each message includes a type field within its payload. This could be as simple as including a specific string or an enumeration value that your application understands. For example, if your web application uses WebSockets for real-time chat functionality, your client-side JavaScript might send messages with different types like new message, delete, message, or typing status. Each of these types would then trigger a corresponding action on the server side, ensuring seamless and correct handling of all incoming messages. To summarize, 1. Understand, Django channels message structure. Messages sent over WebSockets contain metadata that includes a critical type attribute. 2. The role of the type attribute. This attribute instructs Django channels on how to process incoming messages, akin to commands for your application. 3. Fixing the error. Ensure all incoming messages include a valid type field in their payload. That's it. By now, you should have a clear understanding of what causes value error. Incoming message has no type attribute, and how to resolve it when working with Django channel. This error might seem daunting at first, but it's actually an opportunity for you to ensure your real-time web application is robust and well-structured. If you found this explanation helpful or have any questions, please don't hesitate to engage with us in the comments below. Your feedback is invaluable in helping us create more targeted content that meets your needs. Don't forget to like this video if it helped clarify things for you, and consider subscribing to our channel for more in-depth tutorials on web development, Django, and related technology. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next video.